Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw LARVITAR. So just imagine the top of his body as a curve, like right here. So let's just draw a curve that starts to curve down here, because what we're going to draw here is his horn. But let's continue this curve this way towards his snout and just start curving it down to the tip of his nose, and it's going to start curving back this way. So from here we're going to continue on back. Okay, let's draw his horn that I mentioned here. So from here, this would be the center of his face here. So from here, let's just draw a line that goes up a ways and then over to the right. We're going to head back down, flaring slightly, and back. Okay, so from here, let's go ahead and draw the one eye. From here, we'll just draw a curve that goes up and then up. The corner of his eye then will go this way. Just draw a line, a slight curve, and then connect that to the front corner of his eye. We'll draw a half oval for the iris and a black pupil. Okay, he's got this black extension at the corner of his eye, so let's just blacken that now, kind of like a triangle. And then a brow line right here. So let's draw the other eye. So let's say the corner of the eye is right here. Draw a slight curve, just like that. And then the corner of the eye then comes out here and back to the inside corner, like that. Again, an oval, half oval for the iris, and then a narrow oval for the pupil. Again, just like the other side, we'll blacken the corner for that distinctive black area here. And again, another brow line. Now we'll go ahead and draw the bottom of the body. So a slight curve this way and up. And then he's got these fins. So from here, just draw a curve that goes out and then back. So round out the corner there, slightly sharp, and then just come in, bring it back. So now we can continue the back right here to its tail and back to the body line here. Okay, so he's got this other fin on the other side. So look at where we have the other fin, and what we're going to do is just draw a line that goes out a little bit and then back in. Now we can see the foot back here, and just draw a U-shaped line and then a detail line here to show that he's got this fingernail. And then his other leg would be right underneath his snout here. So just draw again a U-shaped line and that detailed line. So now he's got these fins in the back. So coming off this initial horn, we're going to draw a line that goes out and then curve that corner and go down towards the body part way, go back up and start forming the next part. Square off the ends there, back down, and again up, curve the corner, not quite as wide now. Gonna go back, and then coming off here, step up a little bit, over and back. Okay. So now what I'm gonna draw are some detail lines, some shadow lines, And what we'll do is we'll draw these as darker shades of the color. Most of his body is green, but he's got this belly that's actually red. And let me draw the belly now. Let's just draw a curved line and then a detail line, two detail lines here. And he's got these holes as well on his body, so draw a soft cornered square and we'll be able to see the inner thickness. So draw a line like that and we can color in this hole. And he's got another hole right here. And we'll see the thickness on the right side. Darken this. And a couple more shadow lines. And finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and outline it and vary the line thickness. And that's it. This was LARVITAR. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.